Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are saying most powerful Lord Vishnu, sudarshana chakra, conch. It's a very powerful Lord Vishnu, sudarshana chakra, conch. Conch is itself in the shape of sudarshana chakra. It is very powerful. By having this conch with you, definitely you will be getting huge protection from black magic, evil eyes, and all sort of negative energy. It's such a powerful conch. It is Lord Vishnu, sudarshana chakra, conch collected from Indian Ocean. It is very powerful. Conch is in the shape of Lord Vishnu sudarshana chakra. Gives you full protection from all sort of negative energy, black magic, and evil eyes, and breaks all your obstacles and gives huge success to you. Such an amazing conch. Lord Vishnu, sudarshana chakra, conch. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.